Foxit DMS, Foxit's document management system, keeps eSign workflows connected from document request to signed storage. I have a vendor NDA that needs to go out for signature and return as a completed agreement the team can easily track. Our team uses Foxit DMS to keep agreements organized before and after signature. Legal and sales both need the latest agreement without multiple versions getting passed around over email. I'll open the agreement in Foxit DMS so I can move directly into the signing workflow. From the Foxit PDF Editor DMS panel, I can open it in the DMS shared workspace and continue working with the same agreement. I'll send the vendor NDA for signature using eSign in Foxit DMS. Foxit eSign opens with the file preloaded, so there's no export or re-upload step. From here, I'll add my recipient, I'll review the prepared signature fields, and send it off for signature. Sending the agreement for signature creates a connected eSign envelope tied to the DMS document, while the agreement continues through the signature process. After all signers finish, the completed agreement and audit trail remain connected to the original DMS record. The signed agreement, envelope activity, and audit trail stay connected without manual downloading, renaming, or re-uploading. My company has signing templates set up in eSign, and I have access to them in Foxit DMS. I need a signature quickly. I'll grab a template from My Templates, eSign. In a few clicks, it's off to the client for signature. It's easy to keep tabs on all of my signed documents and review them. I'll go to Envelopes, open a completed agreement, and review its details. It shows who sent, who signed, timestamps, verification, and certificate details. If legal needs a clean report, I can access that through eSign. Because Foxit DMS and eSign stay connected, the team keeps one contract record. With Foxit DMS, agreements stay searchable, signed, retained, and traceable in one workflow. Visit foxit.com/document management system to explore DMS. Or if you're already a Foxit eSign customer, sign in and access it free today. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.